Hey folks, this is Jay here from Chandler, Arizona. Let's talk quantum computer and what are some markets which a quantum computers can be applicable and what could be the size of it. Because truly speaking, to convince our business leaders of today to start thinking about or scouting quantum computers and investing something in it, we need to create business cases on what is the size of the business and which domains are quantum computer applicable today. There is no clear path to viability of a quantum computer yet. Right, there's once we have hardware viability, there would be some level of software viability which would need to be done. But some examples of sizes of markets we are talking about. Let's talk about mobility. EV cars are everywhere. If you just take a sneak peek in the modeling of charge transports which is happening, charging of transportation vehicles around the globe, that market in itself, looking at all the funding which it has in the battery market, is a $5 billion a year market. In the biopharma, big pharma specialty drug cases, where understanding protein structure, its interaction, figuring out the protein folding problem is an opportunity which is worth $200 billion. For telecoms to figure out the best optimized path to in a crowded network versus in an idle network, from a tower to somebody's cell phone or a laptop, is somewhere in the range of 70 or 80 billion dollars. These are just some applications which we are talking about, which would uh, be in the optimization space. So regardless of the path to viability, business leaders need to figure out and showcase these numbers in their relevant domain so that companies start scouting on quantum computers. For the next decade, quantum computers most probably are going to be co-processors with a classical computer. There is going to be a lot of payload in classical computer, and for certain niche jobs, they will go to quantum computer, do its thing, come back to classical computer, or use a classical computer to manage the work payload of a quantum computer and things like that. This also is there are also very interesting case studies, because some problems which a quantum computer can solve in terms of pattern recognition and optimization are also problems which artificial intelligence on classical computers is trying to solve. So last but not least, remember, this is the time to start. We are where Gen AI was in 2019. So if we start scouting and we figure out what to use and how to use and what are the key business cases, it would help the company, it would help the people when the real wave comes. And this is how these are some sizes of the markets which can be impacted by a quantum computer. Biopharma, mobility, telecom, these are some examples. A market of almost 200 to 250 billion dollars. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please comment on the video. Thank you.